Lomgcele iBeit Bridge uhlukanisa elakuleli kanye nelaseZimbabwe. Ubude bocingo obiyelwe ngalo bungamakhilomitha angama-40. Ukubiyelwa kwawo bekuhloswe ngakho ukuqinisa ezokuphepha nokuvimba abantu abangena ngokungemthetho kuleli besuka eZimbabwe njengoba kubheduke iCovid-19. Amakomiti amathathu ajujelwe ukuqapha lokhu aligxeke kakhulu ucingo olinameva okubiyelwe ngalo lomgcele athi alukho ezingeni elifanele. SABC ibifuna ukuthi lesi sigcawu sivale ama-accounts ezinkampani ezenza lo msebenzi, kepha ke kumangazile ukhoxiswa kwalesi sicelo.
Because we got an undertaking from the people who were responding to it, who are the respondents, that they are not going to claim any money that they thought was due to them from the department.
Ku-40 million amarandi owawubekelwe ukwenza lo msebenzi, u-21.8 million usuvele ukhokhelwe inkampani ezahlomula ngethenda lokwenza lo msebenzi.
We also got an understanding from them that in case at the end of the case, these monies that they are supposed to pay, they have also given an undertaking that they will pay that.
Kepha ke uphenyo lusazoqhubeka kanti nomnyango wezemisebenzi kahulumeni nawo usazophekwa ngembuzo ngalolu daba.
What brought the action here is to the effect that allegations have been made, allegations of irregularities in the manner in which the contract was awarded. So those allegations have not yet been tested before the special tribunal.
Ayikho neyodwa kulezi inkampani esavume iphutha ngalokhu.